Alright, this one works. This is such a fun game. Alright, so I haven't played this game in 20 years, give or take. So this will be a fun little visit back.
Can you see me all right? I have a favor to ask you. While I'm away, could you use the transporter to... Where did they get to anyway? Send these newly designed pants to Monkey Park for me. Yes, that's right.
Special monkey pants.
It's a delicate machine, so be careful not to overload it.
Jack off Diamond CW is now live. Streaming the dark pictures.
Oh no, do I still have that?
Man of
I don't.
Megon. Make your choice -Man of Megon.
Hikaru! What do you... You exceeded the weight limit!
Don't worry, the stuff went through fine.
What are you doing? Pants on their own shouldn't have exceeded the weight limit!
Look, it arrived fine, Natsumi.
What the... Monkey helmets?
See? Everything arrived safe and sound.
Oh,
Let's do it.
Alright. Capture some monkeys.
Hikaru, I'll be using... You should be thankful that I'm doing. So listen carefully to what first.
Okay.
Let me explain your gotcha gadget.
Please
Gotcha
do.
gadgets are useful tools that you control with the right analog stick.
Okay.
This is how you use them. Gadgets are activated in a variety of different... Try rotating and moving. Right now, you have the stun club and the monkey net. Use the stun and also to activate switches and devices. Your monkey net is used to start with. The stun club and the monkey net is set to the... Each button can be set to switch to a different gotcha. Good luck.
Silly bird. Subtitles always on. Okay. Okay. That's just monkey.
Right.
Alright. My other item search. Oh. That. Camera rotation. Jump. Also jump. Double jump. Yep. That's crouch. Ooh, got that monkey. Oh, this is so fun. I feel like I'm kid again. Anyone who watches this later, you want to revisit your childhood. Give some of these old classic games a try. Hack that pig. Okay. There we go. Gotta remember how to do it. Okay. Put it up here. See if this stuff's down.
Hikaru, listen to this. If you press the jump button again whilst in double jumps will
Already
help you
figured it out.
reach high place and take notice. The blue... So while you're still learning the controls, try...
Okay. Ran right by him.
See the cookies on the top each time you're in. If you lose all of your cookies, nobody wants to see that happen. Cookies can be found during the level.
No, not yet. I think it's got the same camera error that I've got to figure out for Until Dawn, but it just blocked the screen, so that's okay. Now I'm playing Ape Escape. Here you go, little monkey. Where did you go? Oh, back up there already.
All done! Yes!
Tom Features. Oh, it's fun.
So if you didn't use your face cam, it would work?
For Until Dawn, yes. For the other one, I don't think so. I think I'm gonna have to capture card that one too, because it blocks the whole.
Welcome to. This has been
There's
our
just
new
so many
home
little
since you
intricacies of
blasted the
streaming
lab.
it straight from the PlayStation
I had to
because
build
of
it
the
out as a
copyright
remote.
stuff.
Use the warp machine at the front to go
Oh,
and
see,
catch
all the old
monkeys.
ones seem to work. Dino Crisis worked fine. This works fine.
I've also made a save.
So I'll just have to play the old ones.
Here you can practice using the guts that you've found so far. You'll be an expert monkey.
I will be an expert monkey catcher in no time. These are the skills you need, Potter.
Here I come!
Spinning.
I'ma message you.
Okay.
You can also activate switches with the stun. Try hitting the switch to the...
Oh, this one. I call it a button, but you know, who am I to judge a voice from the 2000s? I guess it's good here. Both of those things are correct, Potter. Yeah, I just saw what you sent me, and yes and yes.
That device has for 10
Chris has a
gold
bunch of them
the
that he
items
sent
you
that
would at the
like are
minigame
particularly
corner.
good,
And
but yes. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Really good. Comic strip by Gato. Oh.
Wow, that's easy.
Oh, that's okay. Let's go. That's there. Let's see if we can catch a couple more walkies here. Looks like there's two more.
Have you played this before?
Yes, but like 20 years ago. There's one.
All right!
Yeah, this was back in like the Domon, Mystical Ninja, and Attack, and all the 64 type games. How do I even look? There we go. Not be able to get you. Yeah. Keep going, because I see a little monkey right over there. I don't know, way big. I got monkeys to catch. Chill. Like that.
The graphics on the sky and the triangle circle square X are having minor issues.
Yeah, they are. It gave me the warning that could happen running it on a PS5 instead. Yeah, very likely. But as a whole, it's not really affecting the gameplay.
About to type it out.
Oh, powder round safe place then.
Hikaru, use the either R1 or that's it. If you need, hit the message first, then move the right analogs.
As long as I can still see what's going on, I don't care, lol.
That's fair. Alright, got 2 more gotchas. Concept art. Oh, look at that sad little monkey in his butt. Enemy photo. Monkey. I've just killed like a dozen of them. Alright, we got 4 out of 5, the other one's on statue.
It's a pig.
It is a pig.
Hikaru, I'm sending this gotcha gadget to you. The monkey radar seeks out those cheeky monkeys.
Her
But
pants are kind of
practice
glitchy
in
too in the
gadget
floor.
trainer. Do you want to go to the gadget trainer now?
Tired.
Pig. No gadget trainer. I know how to use it. Catch 4 monkeys. I can do that. Ooh, this place is fancy.
Let's do it! Whenever you get a new gotcha gadget, to equip a gadget, you can open the gadget select screen. Move the cursor to the gadget you want to equip. By moving the left analog stick, press one of the circle, X.
You there, we'll put you there. Actually, let's keep you there. Yeah. Oh, so it just shows me where the monkeys are. I can see you. Oh, that's the wrong one. Come here, you. There we go. It's like being back at work. Over there. hiding? You are. Oh, that's a tiny little monkey. John. Ow.
I just added T-Well on Facebook and messaged her congratulating her.
Aw, she'll appreciate that. We're gonna work pretty close together after January. So that'll be nice. Could be a monkey around here somewhere.
Maybe it'll be the Emma Tech working with her more.
No problem!
Well, if not, you better be watching. Learn these skills. Alright, it's in the house. Gotta get in the house. Do I get it? Oh. That was anticlimactic. Happy.
For it.
4 monkeys.
Hikaru?
Am I? Got plenty of monkey cookies. No, I'm not. Alright. We'll leave these last ones, because I wonder if I need another item to get those. Pork cone!
Hikaru, I'm sending this gotcha gadget to you.
A new gadget.
The Aquanet is used to help you swim.
Ooh.
You'll be swimming like a fish if you practice in the trainer. Do you want to go to the gadget trainer now?
No. I'll figure it out as I go. Oh, a little bit of layer jumping around there. Oh, a lot of bit of layer jumping there. That's alright.
All right!
If it's all the water. It's the ground. Let's see. Get. Oh. Not an actual gadget. Oh, there it is. Now, boost to the surface. Okay, that's still jumping. Oh! Okay. Shooting nets. Oh, accident. I'm really bad at this. But it is a lot of fun. Danny boy? That had fun, other one. Yeah. I see him. Johnny boy. I have to ride the boat over. Lord. Oh. Yay!
Yes!
That was fun. Oh. There we go.
What's got going on?
Hello there, human friends. How are you today?
Not bad.
Spencer,
Oh.
you're up to no good again, aren't you?
Now, I wouldn't say that. We superior monkeys are just offering to rule over you weak and foolish humans.
So, you didn't learn your lesson even
Okay.
after being beaten by Kikaru.
Oh, yes, I suppose I didn't play my cards right that time. But this time, I've got the Freaky Monkey 5 on my side. And let
Freaky
me
Monkey
tell
5?
you, they'll put up a fight like you've never seen. Sorry, but you just don't stand a chance. I fed them vitamin C bananas, so they're as strong as can be.
Just keep talking. Kikaru will be there any moment to catch you.
We'll see who'll be catching who. This should be a lot of fun.
Hikaru, it's up to you.
Ricky
No
Monkey
problem.
5.
I won't let you down.
Cashing some of my gotcha money. Forge. Let's go with the flow. I mean, I feel like that's what I've been doing since the Sony blocks have eliminated most of the games I'm going to play today. Ooh, an enemy photo. Ooh, a monkey fable. Old lady monkey found born inside a giant banana. The old lady monkey and her husband gave him 3 bananas and pushed him out the door, telling him not to come back until he did defeated the ogre that surrounded the capital. Don't forget the ogre's treasure. Oh. No more. Well, guess I have to go catch more monkeys.
I'm sending this gotcha gadget to
A
you.
hula hoop.
You can run at lightning speed with the dash hoop. A bit of training in the gadget trainer, and you'll be as fast as the wind. Do you want to go to the gadget trainer now?
No. She keeps asking me, and I keep saying no. I'll learn this, I guess. I figured worst case scenario, an ape escapes, but maybe two.
All right.
Right. Load. See what this does.
I'm giving her directions and telling her which garage to park at. Roll.
Kind of like the hula hoop thing. Look at that other guy. There we go.
I highly recommended the garage right next to the building she'll be at.
That makes sense. I mean, I granted with the shuttles, like, you can kind of get that from anywhere, but... sometimes on rainy days, it's not worth waiting for them. After you get up there. Monkeys this way. See you.
No problem.
I think there's only one shuttle that drops off at the building. It'd be easier to just cross the street. It's right there.
Wow. Oh. Gotcha.
No problem.
Olé. Cannot walk on that without go to a new area. I feel like there's more to do there. What's that coin? There. Okay. Down there. Oh. Ah. Up here. There we go. Well, that makes sense. Oh. Shield won't save you from my net. There. Purge it. I think I've got to go to the next one. Oh, that's right, I saw it up there. There we go. He's in there. Let's go in. Find nothing. There's a button. Ah. Uh-oh. That doesn't look friendly. Yeah, let's fight it. Toro.
Top banana?
Jack off the Amansu.
I mean, I'll have to go back and
Jack.
fight it later.
Off.
Oh!
Oh.
Jack off diamond.
Well, kiddo, I gotta give you credit for making it this far. Ever heard of the Freaky Monkey 5? Well, I'm Blue Monkey.
Move on.
The boss has ordered me to stop you, so I'm afraid that's what I must do. Don't take it personally, kid. I'm doing this for all the little monkeys out there.
Come on then!
Oh no, I'm getting monkey PTSD.
Well, you're definitely not a coward, are you? Hey, kid, don't you know that you've got to be careful at traffic lights? Let me give you a lesson in road safety. Come and get me. Go!
Get him? Is it too heavy?
Actually, the graphical glitches look kinda neat. Looks like there's lightning in the sky.
Okay.
Let's go!
Oh, okay. That's what I meant by the lights.
Damn it!
Did you say damn it? I keep missing it. There we go. No. Yeah. Yay! I beat my monkey. Look at that. Blue monkey. The Freaky Monkey 5. Captured. Woo! Yes.
Top banana?
Quit spanking your monkey.
Listen. If that's not a violation of some kind,
So
then
that
this
was
is the right place for me.
friend that Spectre was talking about.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna call in these gotchas. Ooh, I got a jacket. I think it's like an extra life. I want a soundtrack. Oh. Ooh. Hey! See, that seems like a waste. Instead of Robo-Cow, they could have named it Robo.
www.
And it's gonna let me... Yeah. Screenshot that bad boy. Cash that in, and since I beat Blue Monkey, up to Freaky Monkey 5, I'm just gonna look around here a little bit.
Here, you can view the various items that you got.
Monkeypedia. Aww. Look at all the monkeys. Neat. That's a good photo. There we go. That slaps. It's got a Goron Village kind of feel to it. Here for it. What else? Those are all my items in my monkey captures.
Here, you can play the... but you'll have to win them. No minigame.
Gadget trainer, don't care about that. Data dust saves the game. That's it. Alright.
Here, you can save anytime you want to have a break.
I will save my game to my PS2, which is very real. Oh, those little game developers back then, not realizing one day their little PS2 game would be getting saved on a PS5. But that was a lot of fun. Actually, I had a really great time. Thanks for hanging out, Matt. I am going to jump out, and then it's time. We'll take on the next member of the Freaky Monkey 5.
Y-A-Y.
Yeah.
Click.
Alright. Bye.